a demonstration of fingerprint based bank locker system. So this is an efficient security system to provide additional security to bank lockers. So only valid users, that is an user authorized to operate that bank locker, can open that locker. So in this system, as you can see, we have a fingerprint sensor here. The fingerprint sensor is interfaced to a microcontroller, which is an 8 mega microcontroller, and this microcontroller is in turn interfaced to an LCD display to display the status of the system, 4 push buttons to operate the registration mode and real-time mode, and a buzzer along with a door. This is the bank locker door, and it is also powered by a 12 volt transformer, as you can see. So let's see how the system works. So the system has been turned on now, and as you can see, it gives us 2 options. First is to enroll and the second is to start. So before starting the system, we must enroll a few candidates as registered users to operate this particular locker. So let's go into enroll mode using this push button here. So now it allows us to enroll our finger. So let's register the first candidate or first user by pressing this button here. So now on pressing enter, it allows us to scan a finger. So we must do it once again 2 times. So the prints matched and the user has been registered as customer number 1. So let's register another user. Let's press the enter button here to register another user. So let's scan twice. So if you don't place the finger properly, it says fingerprint doesn't match and you have to rescan. So as you can see, we have registered 2 users in the system. So these are valid users. So now let's go back and let's start the system monitoring. So now let's start the system. Let's go to start by pressing the down key and then enter. So now let's press the enter key. Whenever a person needs to access the locker, he can press the button here. Now the system has started monitoring. So now if a customer approaches the bank locker, he needs to press the enter key here. And let's scan the fingerprint now. So since this was a valid customer, the system opened the locker and allowed the customer to operate it. And the customer was allowed to use the locker. So let's do one thing. Let's scan an invalid fingerprint, a finger which has not been registered into the system, and let's see what happens. As you can see, it's showing that the user is not authorized and it doesn't open the door for any unauthorized fingerprint. So now let's again scan a valid fingerprint. Since we registered 2 fingerprints, let's register the other customer's. Let's scan the other customer's finger, and as you can see, the bank locker only opens for valid customers and doesn't open for unauthorized customers or users. So this is how the project works. Thank you.